Yo, what is up, guys? Holy shit, look at that. Push straight up into profit. Let me actually grab my little profit bar so you guys can see my positions. Look at this, guys. We're floating $2,000 in profit right now. We already closed. Let me go to my account history. We already closed roughly $1,000, $1,300 in profit. So I'm thinking I want to hold it, guys. I have this, like I said, I have this floating right here at 1,800, 1,900. I kind of want to close it just because it hasn't broke this area that I wanted to break for a little while. So I'm floating at 1,900. If I close it now, I'll be done at like a 3,000, almost like $3,500 day. Look, we just hit 2K again. Market is pushing up in my direction. I just kind of want to see it break this area, guys. So it hit my target 1, 2, 3 times. This is the 4th time it hits my target for the 50 points, guys. We had a little 20-point drawdown down here, which is not that big of a deal for me. But we're floating $2,100 right now, guys, as you guys can see right here. I really would love to see it to break, guys. I do think we are going to be pushing up. It did consolidate around this zone for a little bit, which is not that big of a deal. Let's go, let's go. So you see the 30-minute push straight up, guys. We had this big pull down. I just call this a big pullback, guys. You can see we're overall on an uptrend. So I do see us pushing back up. And, guys, we respected the 1-hour support, which is right here. We clicked the 1-hour support is right there, guys. So you can see that we have it here. We respected it, and we keep pushing up. Right now, I'm floating $2,400 in profit, as you guys can see. Let's see if I can actually, let's see if we can actually blow through this target. That'll be, like, perfect. We can blow through this target. Perfect. $2,600 in profit, guys. 27. Let's go 25. Perfect. Do I close here, guys? I say F it and close here and call it a day or hold. Dang, this is like tricky for me, man, because it's like I can call it a day. I made roughly around $4,000 today. But if it breaks this, guys, I can potentially gain like a $5,000, $6,000 day, maybe even a $10,000 day. So it's just like, what do I do? So honestly, if it does come under here and it starts trading back under this line right here, my little 3-minute line of support, 5-minute line of support, I'm getting out. So once I see it kind of start trading under here, I'm done, and I'll probably close roughly around like $1,500 in profit. I can close now. My trade's still floating $2,300 in profit right now, but I kind of want to hold, man. It's just this. We have such like this bullish movement in this area. I do see stoppage in this area before though, so you gotta understand when to get in and when to get out of the markets. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just call it a day right here. F it, right? I'm gonna call it a day here. Do I call it a day, guys? Like do I call it a day? Listen, man, I don't know, bro. It's tricky for me. Do I call it a day? We did have a 15-minute bullish engulfing over everything else. We do have that buying pressure still pushing up. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it, guys. I'm going to hold it. The worst case scenario is I leave with $1,500 in the market. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it just like that. Worst case scenario, I leave with $1,500 in the market, and I won't be losing at all. Best case scenario, it break my level of resistance, and it can keep pushing up. So that is a goal. But once we start trading under here, I am out of the markets, guys. Because every time we came back down here, we pushed all the way down. We came down, we pushed down again, almost to my entry zone, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm still holding the position, and I'm gonna kind of break down why I got in this position in just a bit. But let's see if we can actually break this target point right here. Sitting on my hands, being patient, guys, being ready to get out of the trade if I want to get out of the trade. Put the mic a little bit closer. Hopefully, guys, that sounds a lot better right there. But I want to see a breakthrough, man. I haven't, like, this shit hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times now, and it hasn't broke. So for it to break through now would be really lovely. And I would honestly just close roughly around like a $3,000, $4,000 a day. Plus, it already closed a $1,000, $1,300, $4,000 would be almost $5K a day, which would be beautiful, guys. Which would be beautiful. Like I said, $3,000 a day is my goal. If I close it now, I do hit my goal. Even if I close it with a little bit under, I hit my goal as well. But it's all about risk to reward. I do see bullish movement. I do think it's going to break through. If it happens, it happens. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm still getting out with profit, guys. Look at that, guys. Pushing straight in my way. 15 minutes looking beautiful. Finally kind of broke above this. So that's another reason why I'm going to be holding the trade as well. So let's go back to the 5-minute. Watch it. Let's see. Oh, we're right there, guys. Look at this. Insane. Let me text my Telegram real quick and tell them how close we are to breaking this, because I'm recording with you guys. So let's go. Free Telegram link below as well, guys. Bro, look how close we are to breaking it. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can actually make it happen. Let's go, guys. Floating almost $3,000 in profit. Already closed $2,000 in profit. Let's go. Let's see if it can happen. Come on. Go, guys. Come on. Break it. Guys, I can close it right now and end my day at 4K, or hold it and thug it out, guys. What would you do? I want you to comment down below. Let me know, would you hold the trade or thug it out and see if it can actually break this resistance. I do see pressure to the upside, so let's see. But we are coming to a major level of supply, and it's just like, what do we do? Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Come on. Can we make it? Let's get it, guys. This is literally perfect. Perfect, guys. I could close, bro. What would you do? Guys, I really want you guys to comment down below. Let me know what you would do. Would you close the trade right now at 3K or let it rock to see what would happen? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this. I'm going to say, okay, once we come here and we start trading below here, I'm going to stop the trade. We just got one of my signals to say, okay, we're pushing up. $3,200 in profit, guys. Let's go. Oh, my goodness. Bro, I wish I had more trades in. I closed a lot of my trades. I scale into my trades and I scale out of my trades. So, bro, look at this. $3,300 in profit. Insane. And on my small account, I do have a small account as well, guys. As you guys can see, I am floating roughly around $240 on my small account. Let's go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close my small account ones. Oh, my goodness. I closed them and they pushed straight up? You kidding me? Let's go, baby. What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump down to my 3-minute. Once I see, oh, my God, we closed above the 3-minute, guys. This is insane. This is perfect. Target 1 smashed, as you guys can see. Target 1 is smashed. Do I close it? So what I'm going to say is I'm going to move my stops to here, guys. If I do start trading under here, I'm going to get out. And roughly, I should leave with a $3,000 day no matter what. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Come on, baby. Push up. This is what we got going on right here. Holy shit. Live with you guys. Live. 15-minute. Looking beautiful. Coming up to a level of supply. We're trading above the 5-minute right now, which is insane. As long as we trade above this 5-minute, I'm actually going to hold the trade so you guys can see it. 50 points blown target. I really don't care about that anymore. That's done. Floating at $3,500 in profit. Do I just say get out, guys? Do I get out here and just call it a day? See how this 5-minute closes. If this 5-minute closes above here, I'm going to stay. We got a minute and 55 seconds left. If this 5-minute closes above, I'm going to stay in. If it doesn't, I'm going to get out, guys. And that's going to determine whether I'm going to stay in the market or get out the market. Either way, today was a profitable day. I'm very, very happy. And then once this is done, I'm going to explain why I got in the trade and why I got out of the trade. What I'm going to do is, dang, do I wait now, guys? $3,000 in profit. Whatever. I'm not going to be greedy. And I didn't even close in 3K. I'm pissed off, guys. I closed $2,999, $1,049, and $300. That's my profit for today, closing a total profit of $4,100 today, guys. If I didn't be a little greedy, if I didn't wait, I could have closed roughly almost $4,600 in profit. But it is what it is, guys. I'm not mad. Listen, we ended in profit. That's the biggest thing, right? All right, guys. So you see the profit, you see me trade live. Now it's actually time for me to break it down. I'm gonna break it down and show you guys why I got into this trade in general. And it's just very, very, very simple, guys. I only trade supply and demand. That is the biggest thing. So I trade levels of supply and demand. I really don't use any indicators. I use anything crazy. There's nothing special to what I do. Just literally supply and demand and price action. That is literally it, guys. So let's actually dive into the 4 hour. Let's see what's actually going on, right? So let's get into the 4 hour. I see that we were on a downtrend. Obviously, we were moving straight bearish, guys. We were on a downtrend. We were creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. So now that we came down to this level of demand, we're not creating lower lows and lower highs anymore. We started to create higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. So once I seen this 4 hour giving me that big bullish engulfing candle, right? So this big bullish engulfing candle right here, this gave me the indicator saying, okay, hey, we're gonna be buying. So after I seen this, I say we're going to be putting in buys, right? So we're only going to be looking for buy position, right? That's what I know now. I know that, hey, as long as we respect the level of demand, we're going to be putting in buy positions. So let's jump down to my 1 hour to see what's going on, because I see this 4 hour did a bullish engulfing, and this 4 hour does a pullback. For every big engulfing candle, for every extension, there needs to be exhaustion, right? So I was just waiting for that exhaustion candle. So let's go down to the 1 hour, and you see how it came to a level of supply and started to exhaust, guys. And that's what happened, right? So it came all the way down to this level of support. I see that we're at a 1 hour support. So what really gave me that urge? Hold on, give me 1 second, guys. I'm breaking down the trade I took this morning. Give me 2 seconds. All right. So what gave me that buy urge is one, that 4 hour bullish engulfing, and another reason is this 1 hour in candle right here. This 1 hour candle did not close under the level of demand. So that shows me, okay, that the level of demand / support is being supported. It's not being broken. And once it's not being broke, I said, okay, cool. I'm gonna wait for buy positions. So what I did was I jumped down to the 30-minute time frame to see what's actually going on. Seen this candle, and I gave us no more selling pressure, barely any buying pressure, but it did end positive for the buy pressure. I said, okay, wait, I'm gonna wait for the next candle, and I'm gonna get into a buy position as long as we hold, guys. So we jumped down to the 15-minute candle. We held all this, right? So you see how we got this, we had the 1 hour support. We held, we didn't break through. Once we got this big bullish candle, I jumped in. I jumped in. We had a little bit of drawdown. I was negative here. I was negative probably like 1,500 bucks right here. Not that big of a deal for me. But I said, hey, if we close under this and we start trading down, then I'm gonna take sales. Then I was wrong. But obviously, we respected the support again, and we pushed straight into profit, guys. Literally. Perfect. We had roughly around 41 points in profit, 41 pips in profit. My goal was 80, but hey, I'm not greedy, guys. You guys seem like it was jumping in on a profit. Didn't really want to break, and still now to right now, it's still not even breaking. But it's still trading in this area, and it's still trending up. So that's why I took the trade, guys. There's a bunch more reasons why I took this trade, and obviously that's the sauce. You guys are going to have to wait until January 27th, 3 p.m. EST to join the course. I teach everything from A to Z, which I'm very excited about. There's only going to be 100 students accepted in the course, so make sure you're in the course enrollment waiting list. Like, there's a waiting list down below. You got to click that little email, sign up for the survey, and then you're automatically in the waiting list, and then we're going to send you an email with the survey. So I'm very excited. Stay tuned, guys. You can see this is still pushing up. Maybe we're breaking now, but like I said, I'm not greedy. I'm happy where I was at, and yeah. But look at that, wow. If I would have just held position, but guys, I would have went like I went from positive 3,000 to like roughly right here. It's like almost 2,900 something. Nah, and this would have been like at $1,500, and I'd have been sick if it would have kept pushing down, guys. You got to understand your targets, understand what you want to do and where you're going. Now, if I would have gotten roughly down here, then I would have held my position, but I did not. But I'm very happy with what I did today. Not mad. I'm not mad at the decision that I got out at one of my targets. It is what it is, guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys for supporting this journey and just following along. So I see you guys on the flip side. You can follow my Instagram, my link tree, everything's below, so you guys can follow me on what I do and who I am. And yeah, welcome to NPZ Trading, guys. Let's go. To show you guys the overall market direction went my way. I just got out at one of my TPs. That's it. That's all I had to say. Shit kept going up, and I didn't hold. I was a little sucker. I didn't hold. I love you guys. I'm out.